In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Bangladesh using Sendwave. By the end, you'll feel confident sending funds quickly and securely from your phone. Start by opening your Sendwave app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that the app is up to date to avoid any hiccups. Once the app launches, log in with your account. If you've used Sendwave before, this will feel familiar. If not, don't worry, just sign in as you normally would and you'll land on the main dashboard. On the dashboard, you're ready to begin a transfer. Look for the option to select or add a recipient, then tap recipient. This is where you either choose someone you've sent to before or set up a new recipient profile. Next, change the recipient's country to Bangladesh. This step matters because it ensures you see the right payout options and the correct currency. Once Bangladesh is selected, you'll be prompted to select a payment method for how the recipient will receive the money. Choose Send to bKash wallet. bKash is one of the most widely used mobile wallets in Bangladesh, which makes transfers fast and convenient for your recipient. Now fill in the recipient details. Enter the full name exactly as it appears on their bKash account to prevent delays. Then enter the mobile number linked to their bKash wallet. Because you've set the country to Bangladesh, the correct country code will be handled for you. Just make sure the number is accurate. Retype the mobile number to confirm there are no typos. When everything looks right, tap Save to store the recipient's information. Continue by tapping Continue to send. At this point, you'll choose your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, such as a card that you've added to Sendwave. Pick the option you prefer, then move on to the amount. Enter the amount you want to send in USD, and you'll see the converted total in BDT. The app will display the exchange rate and any fees so you know exactly what your recipient will receive. Take a moment to double check the details: recipient name, bKash number, funding method, and the USD to BDT conversion. When you're ready, tap Continue to send, and finally confirm transfer. Sendwave will process the transaction and you'll see a confirmation on screen. Your recipient should receive the funds in their bKash wallet shortly and they can use or withdraw the money as usual. That's it. Simple, clear, and fast. Thanks for watching and happy sending.